guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch live NFL preseason football. Let's get started. First, you can watch preseason games on major TV networks such as CBS, NBC, Fox, ESPN, and Amazon Prime Video, depending on which network is carrying the game. You can also watch nationally televised preseason games on NFL Network, which may also provide replays and additional preseason coverage. If your favorite team is playing a locally broadcast game, you may be able to watch it through your local network affiliate or with an over-the-air antenna. If you prefer streaming, NFL Plus is another option. With an NFL Plus subscription, you can watch live out-of-market preseason games on supported mobile devices, while local preseason streams may be available through participating club websites. NFL Plus is especially useful if you want an official NFL option without relying entirely on traditional cable TV. You can also use the live TV streaming services such as YouTube TV, Fubo, Hulu Plus, Live TV, or DirecTV to access channels that broadcast NFL preseason games. Depending on the game and network, you may also be able to stream through apps such as Peacock, Paramount Plus, or the ESPN app when you have the required subscription or TV provider access. And that's how you can watch NFL Plus preseason games. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.